microeconomics today. But the thing that we want to understand first is what is the difference between macroeconomics and microeconomics. This is the first question that you'll be asked in an interview. If the interviewer is asking you questions around economics, what's the difference between these two? And the difference is quite clear with what they are named. So microeconomics is basically about a single entity. So it's about the behavior of a single person or a single business or a single industry, right? For example, how one business behaves, how one product is priced in the market, how much demand do we have for a particular industry or a particular product, these kind of things. Whereas macroeconomics is more at a broader level. So when we talk about macroeconomics, we talk about the entire country or the entire sector. For example, what is the inflation of the country? So inflation is something that will affect each industry in India, right? That's why it's a macroeconomic term. What is the interest rate of a bank? It affects everything in India. So these are all macroeconomic terms which affect the entire country, whereas microeconomics is talking about one particular industry or one particular entity, one particular product. It will not talk about an aggregated, like 10 different industries or 10 different companies. Any questions so far? Right. And since microeconomics talks about one entity, what I've done in this slide is that particular entity that we'll take example of is 100 percentile. And using this example, we'll try to see how we can understand microeconomics in the best possible way.